Hi and welcome to my channel, All That Fluff and Stuff. Today I will be sharing with you how I make this creamy broccoli soup. My broccoli soup recipe is easy to make and very delicious. First off, I'm starting off and putting in a teaspoon of ghee, and remember I like to use ghee because it has a hot smoke point and it doesn't burn as easy. Now dicing up some bacon. I've got approximately 4 pieces of bacon here, and I find that the bacon just gives the broccoli soup some extra taste. Dicing up 1 brown onion to add to the bacon and ghee. At this stage you are sautéing the onion, bacon in the ghee. I thoroughly washed my broccoli, and here I am cutting it up into smallish pieces so it will cook quicker. And by cutting it into into smaller pieces, it will allow for it to cook quicker, because your broccoli's got to go to mush, because remember, you're making a soup. And in this recipe I am using 2 heads of broccoli. Once the broccoli has been added to the pot, it is time to add your liquid, and here I am using my homemade chicken stock, and I place it in the freezer so it is handy for when I am making soups. There was approximately 1 litre of chicken stock, and you don't want to add too much stock because you still want a nice thick soup. Only add enough stock just to cover the broccoli, like I have done here. Once the broccoli has become nice and mushy and soft, it is time to now grab your stick blender and blend everything together. The final step in making my broccoli soup is to add approximately 150 to 200 mils of thickened cream.